They really encourage us, especially in our intern program.
I would say MTX's culture is very hardworking.
A really peaceful place, a really nice place to be.
Very friendly and very warm. Everybody here is willing to help you learn.
Sort of like a family. It feels like there's so many other mentors and people we can look up to as well as reach out to.
Unique.
Challenging.
Impactful.
Very interesting.
I would say tough.
I would say beneficial.
Something new every day.
Revolutionary.
I would sum it up as cooperative.
Definitely very enlightening.
I would say Lakesh. He's our mentor and he's been really responsive and easy to reach out to.
Annika.
Nick Whitney.
Arpit helped me the most at MTX.
Definitely Annika.
Definitely Sahil.
I would say Arpit has helped me the most. He has a lot of insight into different topics that we're learning, so I really appreciate his expertise.
My group's mentor, Lokesh, she's been very helpful for us.
Knowledgeable.
Helpful.
Very approachable.
Supportive.
Accountable.
Impactful. Knowledgeable.
Awesome at providing support and answering questions and leaving the open door so we can come up and talk to you. So just keep that up because that is awesome.
Serene.
Positive.
Inclusive and well-rounded.
Exciting.
Collaborative.
Fun.
Joyous.
Peaceful as well as just inviting.
Say fun. Ecstatic.